What is a belief? Some of you may not be relieved to find that beliefs are nothing but a trick of the mind created from our imperfect perceptions of the world. As we whirl around the galaxy, we perceive what we believe is our reality, even though what we perceive is only a fraction of the truth. And if a half-truth is a lie, then a fraction of the truth must be an even bigger lie. Don't believe me? It's in the word, blurred by a lack of education, not backed by any explanation. Just splice the word and the truth will rise. Belief, be, to exist, like to be or not to be. And lie, as in to lie. Belie, to be untruthful. A belief is literally and deliberately stated as to exist in a lie. But why? Our perceptions come from our senses. Sight, touch, smell, hearing, and taste. These senses are simply inadequate. Our eyes can only see less than 1% of the color spectrum, not to mention the rest of our material senses are limited without exception. We cannot use these senses to see the truth. We cannot see atoms vibrating in space or the rhythm ebbing and flowing in place. The carnal body simply cannot see. No trace of truth has ever been seen, and that is why a belief is to exist in a lie. But does that mean that truth has non-existence if our senses cannot observe truth's magnificence? Not at all. Do you need to perceive Wi-Fi to access the internet? No, you just need a router, and lucky for you, you were born with the most powerful router in existence that allows you to tap into the etheric brilliance. Between your eyes, your receiver resides, always connected to everything, proving once and for all no universal divide. Log off your computer and quiet your mind. In the silence, you won't see, but feel a presence. An all-encompassing rapture will embody you. You have now logged into your divine right as a conscious being. It's a very sanctifying feeling. But don't let this rapture satisfy your thirst for love. Love is infinite, but rapture is like marshmallow fluff, empty calories. Stay focused and concentrate in that feeling, peeling away the illusion of self with your breathing. Open up wider, make your receiver finer. Never feel selfish for accepting infinite love. It's unconditional, directly proportional to the receiver that is available. And in this love is truth. If you practice, you'll see, not with your eyes, but with your heart. Trust your heart, because it cannot deceive, unlike your perceptions, which have created what you believe.